Please start clapping and cheering. The comedian and an illusionist. Give it up for Karan Chauhan.
So ladies and gentlemen, like he said, for the people who know me, I am Karan. For the people who don't know me, I am Karan. For the people who want to know me, hi, I'm Karan. And I'm a comedian and an illusionist. So basically I do a little bit of comedy, a little bit of magic. So if there is something you people don't find funny in the next couple of minutes, then it is magic. It's extremely important to clear that up. Extremely important. Okay, I have to ask you guys this. Do people like rope tricks? Yes? Yes. You can talk to me, guys. This is not the video. The video is being shot right now. This is a live show. Do you like rope tricks? Yes? Yes. Lovely. We're going to do a card trick. Now. Yes. Can't believe you paid for that. Now, here's the thing. Any card players in the house? Do you play cards? You play cards, sir? Just say yes. It doesn't matter. Just say yes. Do you play cards? Can you catch the deck? All right, just lean on this side a little bit so she doesn't get, and you're leaning on the same side. Lovely. Let's do that now, all right? What is your name? Utkarsh. That is correct. Good memory, Utkarsh. Now, Utkarsh, catch. Lovely. Utkarsh, you just shuffle up the packet. Just shuffle up the packet nicely. You should, otherwise it won't shuffle. Remove the rubber band and shuffle the cards. Lovely. And are you done shuffling? Now put the cards back in the same order they were. Even nobody can do that, Utkarsh. But what I want you to do is, I want you to just pick any card you like, just from the deck on your own. Anytime today. Have you done that? All right. Look at the card. Show it to the audience. Do not show it to me. Okay. And remember the card, Utkarsh, because if you forget the card, this is going to be a colossal waste of time. Okay. Done. Done. Okay, no problem, Utkarsh. Can you put it back in the deck and shuffle it again? Anywhere you like, shuffle it up. Yeah. And can you join me here, Utkarsh, for a second? Give Utkarsh a round of applause, guys! Fantastic, face the audience. Lovely, Utkarsh. This is nice, huh? This is what it feels like to be here. It's nerve-wracking, yes. Lovely. Do you have a handkerchief, bro? Do you have a handkerchief? No? It's okay, it's okay. We'll do it without the handkerchief. Give me the cards, Utkarsh. This is so important. Utkarsh, a deck of cards. You shuffled. You took one card out, any card you wanted. You saw it, you showed it to people, you put it back in anywhere you wanted. You shuffled the deck back. Yeah. My hands have been off the cards this whole time. Utkarsh, a loud yes or a no. Now, is it truly impossible for me to find your card? All right, then do hell with it. Let's not do it. All right. No, Utkarsh. Come back, Utkarsh. Now, Utkarsh, we've made a mess. Utkarsh, we've made a mess. Okay? Now, if you look, I am hilarious.
I won't believe.
Don't do that to me. Now, Utkarsh, because I threw the cards away, a couple of them have landed face up, a couple of them have landed face down. Yeah. All right, so I want you to ignore the face up cards because I can see them. Yeah. Right? Pick any 4 face down cards you like. Just pick them up. Completely up to you, and do not show them to me. You don't see it as well. I'm going to turn around while he does that. Okay? Utkarsh, have you done that? Yeah. Any 4 you like? Yeah. Okay. Utkarsh, just stand right there wherever you are. Hide them from me and stand here. Stand here. Right here. Lovely, lovely. Perfect. You will be in the frame. And that's it. I am going to show you guys something that PC Sorkar made very famous a couple of years ago. It's called X-ray vision. So basically being able to see without your eyes. So Utkarsh, I'm not going to turn towards you. I have a blindfold. I have not bought the magician's blindfold that they use at magic shops because it's fake. Okay, there you go. PC Sorkar's secret is out. Yes, it's fake. So I'm going to use my own handkerchief and I just have to remove this. Utkarsh, do not show the cards to anyone. Do not look at the cards yourself. Let me just tie this up. A lot of people feel that when we do this kind of trick, we see through here from the nose. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Utkarsh, hand me the cards. I will not hold the cards below here anywhere. Okay, let me just put this down. Utkarsh, where are you? Yeah, perfect. Make sure I do not take the cards down here. A lot of people see that's where I see from. Okay, so I'm going to hold them up just like that. And guys, I'm just going to fan these out. 4 cards. Can you all see the cards?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I want all of you to, so difficult, I should have rehearsed this one. Okay. I want all of you to focus on one card each, okay? Everybody focus on any one of the 4 cards you like. I'm already getting something. There are 2 red cards and 2 black cards. Yes, does that make sense?
Yes.
There is, oh wow, this rarely happens, but he's got all the suits. He's got clubs, spades, diamonds, hearts, all 4, yes? That rarely happens. All right, I want you all to focus on the 2 black cards. Let's go for that. I think there's a 3 of clubs and a 7 of spades, correct?
Whoa.
And okay, the red one is difficult. 2 of diamonds.
Yes.
And the last one is a face card. It's a queen, a king, or a jack. I'm not sure which one it is. It's a heart. I know that. Is it the jack of hearts?
Yes.
So jack of hearts, 2 of diamonds, 3 of clubs, 7 of spades. Yes. Thank you so much, guys. Really, thank you very much. This is amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is great. Utkarsh, ladies and gentlemen.